Hello, this is Lee, back with another police video. Now, Stanley Cups have been real popular this year, and now we got this woman trying to run from the cops, and she's been stealing Stanley Cups. So let's go ahead and jump right into it.
High-speed chases are always intense, but this one from Ohio had a twist. A woman led officers on a 115-mile-per-hour pursuit along I-75 after stealing thousands of dollars worth of merchandise, including everyone's favorite trend, the iconic Stanley Cups. What started as shoplifting turned into a wild highway chase. Here's what happened next.
We just had a lady walk out with two of our bog bags with products stuck into them.
Okay.
Here's my video of her.
Did you guys walk out?
Did I walk out? Yeah. This is her. And I was trying to, sorry, let me,
I just saw you walk out like you were ball back.
Do you know how to do anything today?
Yeah.
Okay.
I hear you walk out.
Did you find it? No, I'm not sure what the product she had in the bags, but I know that it was the two bog bags and then product was stuffed in there.
What is your
Melissa.
I'm going to send you a link. Can you send me that video?
Absolutely. We just did this on Monday.
So I was coming from Bright Road.
Yeah.
So since I was behind her, there was three guys in front of her, so I'm hoping one of them gets her whichever way she ended up going. So
Yeah, but
because one went towards 99, the highway, so she may be getting to him here in just a second.
Yeah, it was like, look.
I hear it on my radio.
Let's just
yeah, she put him in, obviously you can see her putting them in the trunk of her car if I pause this. If we start it right there. Sorry.
Do you just go outside and wait on her?
Well, I was right here, and then I was just trying to get a license plate.
With a tan coat, boots on. I just saw you walk out of my store with two ball bags filled with stuff.
She tried to say,
They were, because they were in.
She said that's not my stuff.
Bags.
She goes, that's not your stuff.
I literally just saw you walk out.
So we got another shoplifter, been stealing stuff out the store, drove off. I think there might be police in pursuit of her. They got her license plate. Just because you make it out the store don't mean that you're safe, especially if you're driving your own car.
We are eastbound on North Dixon Highway. If someone can communicate to this Perrysburg Township unit behind me to come take the one position, I'll give it up. Ran the red light at Fort Meads Boulevard, westbound. They're at the traffic light at Levis Commons and Jefferson Street through that intersection. We're coming up to the Virgin Diamond here at 75.
I got a question for y'all. Any of y'all that are criminals or commit crimes, if this is all, you'll do all this to stay out of jail, can you not do the crime to stay out of jail? If you just don't do the crime, this wouldn't happen. Just something to think about.
75. We're going to get back on 475 southbound. On 25. So just took a pit out. stealing from Dick's.
Oh, a fucking ball game. You weren't running, were you? No, I'm not. I walked back. Ball bag, $100 ball bag.
I'm down here and play.
Thanks, guys.
Get caught up to do it too.
Thank you, guys.
Hey,
take that question.
Didn't run from somewhere over there. I talked to the lady and everything.
Females in custody. We're at 75 and 25 Anthony and Troy exit.
Woo! Y'all get a big reward, huh? Y'all get a big reward for this?
You did a felony.
Big reward.
You can go to prison now for stealing some clothes. That's stupid.
Guess what? Slap on the wrist. First time. Okay. Never do.
Not you got caught.
You're not Lucas.
Not Lucas anymore. Never.
The best lawyer. Hancock and Lucas everywhere, baby.
Yeah, I'm on one.
Everywhere. See y'all.
So much not being accountable. You know you caught. You know they're gonna search your car, find them bags, and find out what you got in the bags, and you still talking trash. At what point do you say, okay, y'all got me, I'm gonna just go ahead and not fight it? Cause you fighting stupid fights. This ain't even something you can win.
Great job.
Thank you. All right. Thank you, guys. Thank you, everybody. Appreciate it. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Thank you. Yep. Whenever you guys get a chance, whoever's in this, the evidence is in the trunk. They said she put it in the trunk. Okay.
Get you out of here.
That's good. We're going to have a tow truck come get it. So. Okay. Hey, I know the officer should be here in a second. So.
Good job.
Thanks.
You good? You all right?
I'm good. Yeah, good.
Photos of everything? Want photos of everything before we you got a call for it? You want to?
They got a tow truck coming. I just need to get in the trunk. However you open the trunk on this stupid thing. There you go. There it is. Some pictures.
All for a little stuff.
Yeah, for a misdemeanor. Kind of done, but
What do you need help with?
I got a tow truck coming. I'm just gonna get our evidence here and go from there.
We got to set up photos here, though.
I thought you guys had her boxed in here, but
Oh, no damage.
You got felony charges now for some misdemeanor crime that you just had to run away from. Going out bad. You going out bad. This sticks with you. It doesn't go away.
494. So I've got a whole bunch of Stanleys, some clothes, like a black rubber bag, a purple rubber bag, and a plastic bag with clothes. Does that sound about right? You're clear. That's all the stuff she stole. Stupid ass. I know. Why do they do this? Good.
Just take my phone off the hood, please.
Oh yeah, we'll get there. You're not getting it though. So.
I just want to call and make sure my baby back with my daughter. That's it.
If you would have stopped in Finley, and we would have wrote you a court date, and you would have left. And then you could have called your dad, or your baby dad, and your daughter.
I didn't know how Finley works, so I wanted to get to Toledo.
Toledo, and now what's happening?
I
You got
went
to
to
film.
Perrysburg, and then I'm like, fuck Perrysburg, so I was like, let me get to Toledo.
It's terrible. All right, but no, you're not going to use your phone anytime soon. So sit tight, enjoy the
Well, I
kindness.
had a newborn baby. I just need. Can you call him?
Let me tell you something right now. I am being a dick. I don't give a shit. Okay, you know how many lives you just put in danger out there? Myself, all these officers, all the citizens out there, and then you're worried about your little baby. You could have stayed home and taken care of him like a good mom.
I am.
Piece of
I
shit.
did.
I agree. That's how you do it. That's how you do it. Because they do whatever they want. They run, they break the law, they fight you, they do whatever. And as soon as they caught and they sit down for a minute, then they start thinking about everything else they got to take care of. I got a baby. I'm sick. I got breathing problems. I got this. I got that. And you ask the same people that you fought and you ran from to look out for you.
Dude, this is my second one. No, because I jumped in right behind.
Yeah, what happens all the time down there. She's on her whining. I need to go take care of my little baby.
Is that her?
Yeah.
You guys had one they stole from like the Best Buy warehouse?
Yeah.
They flipped that.
Oh, yeah.
They flipped the Pacifica. I worked in early with Williams, and they get off and try to go the wrong way and flipped it, and then tried to run across to Baymont in Northwood.
What's her name?
Oh, I think that was
Angelica.
You ain't shit but a bitch with a badge, bitch. All of y'all. Good work. Good work, officer. Good work. Fucking dumbasses. For a fucking purse. Y'all slow as fuck. Did all that shit for a purse, and they just fucked my car up. Nah, I really need to pay for my car.
Kicking the windows and stuff is a crime. It needs to be, because they feel like as soon as they get in there, they need attention. They need somebody. They need to ask somebody something. They need to ask for favors. Something. I gotta go to the bathroom. You've been doing crime. You've been doing your own thing. Now you want people to pay attention to you.
Hey! I'm trying to open the door.
Why they gonna open the door?
Why the fuck is y'all counting my money, bitch? Bitch. And he keeps touching my motherfucking wallet like you about to touch my money. Why is y'all in my money?
They have to inventory the money with witnesses, so there's no stealing or anything like that. It's a shame. It's just a shame.
Fuck wrong with y'all? Fucking pigs. Thief ass pigs. Your mama bitch and your ugly ass kids, bitch. Bitch ass motherfucker. Bitch. Tear your motherfucking shit up. Y'all lucky, bitch. Not this fucking goddamn seatbelt child.
The suspect was charged with grand theft and fleeing and eluding, and she is still awaiting judgment. What are your thoughts on this wild chase and its outcome? Share your opinions below, and don't forget to subscribe.
My opinion, this is a low quality woman. Her whole conversation, nothing but trash talking, self-concern. She's not really concerned about her baby. She just want to use her phone because she got a newborn baby. But who you gonna call? When you get to jail, get processed, then you can make your phone calls. But they know you out stealing, or they probably know you out stealing because that's what you do. Anyway, cops need to be harder on people like this. And I know there's bad cops out there. There's also some cops out there, because there's cops that will let her use the phone right there. They'll do stuff. They'll look out for her. And this woman don't deserve any kind of sympathy, because she just doesn't care about society as a whole. All she cared about is herself. She don't care about stealing from people, racing through the streets, endangering lives. She's just out for herself. So society shouldn't care about her. Alright. Well, I'm about to get out of here. This is Lee saying like, comment, subscribe. Let's get the views up. Let's build this channel up. And I'll see you guys in the next one.